So you're going to go to the App Store and type Kanopy, and then click to download the app. We're going to open the app, and you can just click Don't Allow on these things as they pop up, and then click Get Started. Under Are You a Student or Professor? Click Find University. Start typing Pitt Community College. You should see it pop up. And then next you're going to add your login, and this is the library login. So click Login with My Pitt CC. So you're going to put in your complete My Pitt CC email address. When you're done with that, you're going to click Next. Then you're going to enter your password, and it's the same password that you use to log into My Pitt CC. And then you're going to click Sign In. And this next part is up to you. I just like to get a text number so I can stick it in when it pops up at the top. After that, you're going to click Verify. You don't have to do the Don't Ask for 14 days. And I just chose Yes for Stay Signed In. And then you're going to create a Kanopy account. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, and at this point, the email address you use does not necessarily have to be your My Pitt CC email address. And then you're going to make up a password. Just make sure you remember what the password is. You have to check that you are at least 18 years old and then click Sign Up. And now you're in Kanopy. You can search for the video you're looking for. So I click Search at the bottom. In the top, I'm going to type the first word or two of the video I'm looking for. You can scroll through the list. You can add more words if you know them for the title. In this case, we're looking for Slavery and the Making of America. I can click that icon and then click play to begin the video.